guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia, Russian language teacher, and today we discuss how to speak with Russian girl that she was yours. It is November already, so these autumn cold days, of course, we are all wanna have a person near who we can share our love, our energy, emotions, and I understand you in this wish. It's absolutely normal to have this in your life. So watch this video till the end, because the last point, I think the most important if you speak with Russian girl, if you want to have a relationship with her. In Russia we believe that women love by ears, men love by eyes, women by ears. So write in comments if it is the same in your country or no. It means that for us it's really important to hear that we are most beautiful, the best in the world, and we always want to believe that this is truth. So how to speak with Russian woman, or actually with every woman? Of course, the compliments. You can be sure that if you have a date, she prepared for this and she tried to wear the best outfit she has, that she tried to choose details, maybe perfume. So the compliments always are nice. You can say that you love her perfume, or maybe her dress, her makeup, I don't know. Just don't say too much that she believed you. Yeah, that it sounds neutral, but not just like you have to say something. Try to say maybe this color suits her. Second point, try to remember everything she told you, especially if she tells you important things about her childhood, her friends, her family. I understand it's really complicated, especially if you just started your communication. Yeah, if you're nervous, you can forget something, and ask her the questions. Remember that when you have first dates, your goal to know her better and to know what her interests are about, and how to communicate with her. So always remember, we love to speak about ourselves, so if you will speak about her more than about you, for you it's another one point, because she will think, ah, so cool, he is very interested in me. Because some people, when they're nervous, they can start speaking too much, or maybe don't say anything, like I do, for example. Yeah, so try to do everything that she felt comfortable and safe with you. It is good if you will be romantic. It doesn't mean that you need to do something very special, but just try to do these first memories very romantic, because these first memories will be with you. If you get married, you will have what to tell to your children, yeah, what to discuss. And when you will have troubles, complicated moments in your life together, you will always remember about these first meetings, first emotions, and it will always help you to go through these difficulties. And of course, girls love emotions. When you say girls don't love good boys, yeah, good men, no, girls don't love boring men. Try to be more original. Girls love the man who give them emotions. Try to give her emotions, something what she didn't do with other guys, something interesting, maybe some interesting places or interesting topics to discuss, yeah, something positive, and she will remember this day. Please don't tell her the compliments to her body at the first meetings. It is already too much. We don't love to feel that we are the objects. Of course, it's normal, for example, if she do sports every day, maybe it will be good to hear that she's in a good shape. But anyway, better say these compliments a bit later. Please don't tell about your ex, especially if you had any troubles in relationship, especially if this is your first meetings. If she didn't ask you, don't tell about it. Don't tell that you are looking only for Russian girl, that you had a lot of Russian girls. It sounds cringe, and like he don't care about who is it with him, just most important that she was Russian. And about exes, I think no one loved to speak about, and it sounds like you still miss your ex or still have emotions to her. So no, please don't tell it. Don't tell bad about your country. It can hurt her feelings, and if she started this topic, maybe you can speak, but please don't speak about this topic on the first meetings. About politics, don't speak about the situation in the country. It will make the atmosphere just more depressive, more frustrating, and this is not what you need. Yeah, about these topics you can speak with someone else. Also, it is good if you will show that you have your own opinion. Yeah, your own opinion, but also you still have common interests with the girl. It always sounds strange when men agree with everything. Yeah, when he just say yes for everything what the girls say. Doesn't mean that you need to argue, but for example, if she is interested in music and you are not, don't lie her. Don't tell that you also love to play the piano or to read books, for example, because she will ask you, of course, what books you love. So just say, I don't know, I didn't read, but maybe you could give me any advices what I could read. Yeah, and it will be more sincere, it will be more honest, and it will be better for the future. But also show how interesting your life is. If your life isn't interesting, do something with your life. Everyone, I believe, has to have hobbies, something what he's interested in. Yeah, like maybe books, maybe watching movies, maybe walking, sports, something. And most important, as I promised you, it doesn't work if you don't do first steps. If you are too shy to write her, I'm too shy, I will wait when she will ask me to go somewhere, maybe she know better where we go. No, girls love energy, girls love when men believe in yourself. We love to see the man who will care about where we go. So if you will wait from her the first steps, when she will write you, when she will call you, you will lose anyway, because of course some girls in comments, Russian girls, will write me, Nastya, it's not true, I will also write. But guys, I'm a Russian girl. I never, maybe I will write once in a month and that's all. Because in Russia we still have these stereotypes, or not stereotypes, that men should do first steps. Many girls just are used for this. Yeah, you can tell anything, like it is stupid, it is strange, why you cannot do this. I don't know why, because we are girls, it's just an answer. We are just used for this, that we wanna show first that man is interested in us. Of course, if she doesn't ask you questions back, or if she just look not interested, probably she's not interested. But anyway, first steps to write, to call, better do you. Because if, for example, you didn't call her for 3 days, didn't write anything, and you will call her, don't be surprised that she will sound upset or a bit angry. Maybe she will not tell you why, just know why, because you didn't call her, and that's all. Guys, if you are interested in learning Russian language, if you wanna find Russian girlfriend, Russian wife, if you wanna speak with your girlfriend in Russian, write me in Telegram and we will book a first Russian language class with me. I give individual online classes, so I will always try to give you advices. We will study with you. Have a wonderful day. I sent you sun from Sochi, as always, the part of the sea. Have a good day. See you soon.